This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling WSL2 and the virtual machine platform so Kali runs natively. This improves performance and hardware access. Once done, open Microsoft Store, search for Kali Linux, and press Install or get to download the distribution. After the launch, create a local username and strong password. This becomes your default shell user. Make sure to update the package lists immediately with sudo apt update so dependencies resolve correctly before installing tools. This avoids broken packages later. Now you update and upgrade the system to ensure tool compatibility. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade y to apply kernel-aware packages. Then install meta packages such as Kali Linux Default or the smaller Kali Linux Top 10, depending on your goal, because meta packages pull tool suites together efficiently. Configure networking by confirming Windows Firewall allows WSL traffic, and if you need inbound services, forward specific ports from Windows to WSL2. Finally, install and configure a preferred editor and bash/zsh settings for workflow speed. Finish by adjusting storage and GUI options. Move bulky tool data to a mounted Windows drive to preserve WSL disk space and enable GUI support if you need graphical tools. Make sure you configure user sudoers and optional SSH keys for remote access, because that secures automation and deployments. If things go wrong, restart the WSL subsystem by running WSL shutdown or restart the LXSS manager service, and then run WSL update to fetch fixes. This simple restart often resolves permission, networking, or package state problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.